we can know how to find refrigerant leak. There are three important methods for finding refrigerant leak: using soap bubbles, using ultraviolet dye, and using an electronic leak detector. First, let's see how to find refrigerant leak using soap bubbles. Soap bubbles should be applied wherever there is a possibility of leakage. For example, in the joints of evaporator and condenser coils and service valves. If there is any refrigerant leak, bubbles keep coming out. If the bubbles continue to come out, it means there is a refrigerant leak. Next, let's see how to find using ultraviolet dye. UV dye method is mostly used for leak checking in ACs in cars. As the AC in the car is very small, we cannot see all the parts easily. So, when checking using UV dye, we can easily find where the leak is. Charge the UV dye inside the unit through the service valve. After charging the required amount, turn on the unit. When the unit is running, the UV dye travels throughout the unit, along with the refrigerant. Wherever there is a leak, the refrigerant leaks along with UV dye. Then, when checking with a UV lamp, only the spot where the UV dye has leaked will be visible in a bright color. With this, we can easily know where the leak is. Next is to use an electronic leak detector. Electronic leak detector is very efficient. This can detect the leak very accurately. Turn on the leak detector and check throughout the evaporator coil and condenser coil by placing its knob. When the knob is moved to the place where there is a leak, the light on the knob will turn on. With this, we can know where the refrigerant leak occurs. These three methods are generally used everywhere. Leak can also be detected using nitrogen gas. We can see about it in a separate video.